Experiencing no network on Spectrum Mobile? This section dives into the two most common culprits: APN settings and SIM card problems. First, let's address APN, access point name. This is the gateway that connects your phone to Spectrum's data network. Incorrect settings, especially after OS updates like Android 15 or iOS 19, are a frequent cause. Check your APN settings against Spectrum's defaults. APN should be Internet, MCC 311, and MNC 480. Authentication type should be PAP or CHAP, and APN type default SUPL MMS. Ensure APN protocol and APN roaming protocol are set to IPv4, IPv6. Next, examine your SIM card. For physical SIMs, make sure it's properly inserted and free from damage. If you have an eSIM, ensure it was correctly activated via the QR code provided by Spectrum. A faulty or dislodged SIM can prevent network authentication. By verifying your APN settings and SIM card, you can resolve many common connectivity problems. If basic APN and SIM checks don't resolve your Spectrum Mobile connection issues, network resets can often fix cached data problems. On iPhone, navigate to Settings, then General, Reset, and select Reset Network Settings. This clears cached APN data without affecting your personal information. For Android devices, go to Settings, System, Reset Options, then Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. This forces your device to reconnect to Spectrum's network. If resets don't help, the issue might be a wider network outage. Check Spectrum's social media or down detector to see if others in your area are experiencing problems. As a last resort, consider a factory reset, but always back up your data first, since this will erase all personal information from your device. With the rise of eSIM technology and AI-driven diagnostics, future troubleshooting will become easier as apps can automatically detect and fix connection issues. Stay vigilant against SIM swapping scams by enabling strong authentication methods on your Spectrum Mobile account and monitoring for suspicious account changes. The ongoing shift to 5G and eventual 6G networks will provide even more stable and faster connections, reducing connection issues over time.